English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, feedback, lack, offensive. Feedback. Feedback is a noun. B2 learners usually know feedback. Feedback is information or opinion about things, liked or not liked, successful or unsuccessful. Here are some examples. We look forward to hearing your feedback. They listened to feedback from the patients. It's wonderful to get instant feedback on your performance. Lack. Lack is a verb. B2 learners usually know lack. At B2, to lack means to not have something or not have enough. Here are some examples. This story lacks imagination. These reports lack the detail that we need. What they lacked in experience, they made up for in enthusiasm. Offensive. Offensive is an adjective. B2 learners usually know offensive. If something or someone is offensive, people are likely to be upset or get angry. Here are some examples. Her language was highly offensive. He regrets that his comments were offensive. They apologized for bringing offensive weapons into the room. Now write some of your own sentences with feedback, lack, and offensive. Download the free B2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.